Hey guys, it's Josh with Finishing Lines. We are going to go through the install of one of our new clutch tuck kits. The previous clutch lines that we made just ran through the engine bay, but we decided to make one that has an actual bulkhead on the firewall. This is going to be a very specific kit. It's only going to work with booster deletes, and for now this is set up for a B series only, not a K series setup. So first we have a banjo adapter and banjo bolt that we are going to thread into our stock clutch master cylinder. Then we want to point the outlet towards the passenger side. Then we are going to loosely thread our hard line on, and you will see that this points to a dimple in the firewall that we're going to use as a location to drill a bulkhead hole. We now drilled our bulkhead hole and drilled that with a 3/8 drill bit, put our bulkhead through, and then connected our hard line from the master cylinder to the bulkhead, and then we can tighten everything down. Okay, so our second bulkhead location is going to be right in this spot that has a unique shape. This is on the passenger side of the engine bay. The B series, D series stuff, the transmission is on this side. We're going to use a 90-degree bulkhead here. Your 90 side is going to come in on the back, and then your straight will come through, and we'll put a nut on the end. We have installed the flex line that goes from the bulkhead to the bulkhead on the opposite side, and you can see our 90-degree bulkhead installed over here as well. And that concludes the back side of the dash installation. We have installed the 45-degree bend end hose here to the bulkhead in the engine bay, and then this is going to follow up to our slave cylinder, in which we will connect this end of the slave. I do have this off of this vehicle because there's some up pipes in the way, and it's just easier to show this way. So once we've got that connected, that will conclude the installation. So that's our new clutch tuck V2 kit. Like I said, this kit is going to be very specific. For one, it will only work with the stock clutch master cylinder to the firewall connection because of the hard line. The location of the bulkhead is very specific, and if you have a brake booster installed, you will not be able to access that location. That's why it should only fit with booster deleted setups. Also for B, D, and H series, anything with the transmission on the passenger side in order to use this properly. So if you have any questions, drop them in the comments or reach out to us via email. Thanks.